Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to dropship with DHgate. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to dhgate.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to DHgate. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the search bar. Also, we have all of the categories. And in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. We have your recently viewed, your favorites, and your shopping cart. But now, let's see guys how you can actually go and drop ship with DHgate. So first of all, what you need to do is go and follow these few steps because it's pretty simple. So basically, when you click on your profile here, you'll also have drop shipping as the fourth option here, as you can see. So you can click on there, and here you can go and download a list for drop shipping, as you can see. So drop shipping download list and DHgate top sellings. But also guys, you can go and register a DHgate account, source products for your store, contact the supplier. You can go import and list your products, market your products, forward your order to the actual supplier, check the supplier's reliability before the purchase, and avoid buying confectioneries and branded products. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on guys, as this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this. So guys, that'll be everything as I said for this video. I hope that you found it entertaining and informative. And if you did guys, don't forget, as I said, to like it. And that'll be everything for this video. Bye guys.